Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabriel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to write an approved and quality sewage report, student industrial works experience scheme, how to write the report step by step. But before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bar, and also don't keep it all alone, share with your friends, they might need the information too. So having done that, let's continue. To write a sewage report, you must follow step by step. You must get the knowledge and skill of writing. Writing a sewage report is very interesting, because if you know how to write a project, know how to write a book, for instance, you'll be able to write an approved sewage report, IT report. So now, the first step is for you to design the cover page or the title page. The title page carries first where the establishment you carry out the work, secondary, your name and your registration number is very important. After then, you specify the department to which the report is to be submitted, when you start and end, and the day or the month you are going to submit the report. The cover page carries all of this. So after the cover page, you get an approval page. An approval page is a page where your coordinator, that is the departmental coordinator, will sign. You also sign. He will approve your sewage report, technical report. Thirdly, the certification page. You will write to certify that this report or the report you are submitting to the department can never be found anywhere or on internet. That is, you write the report yourself. So you certify that the information in the report you are going to submit is true. It's not a copied work. The fourth stage is to dedicate either to God or to your family, friends, your relations, just that you know what is dedication. Then the fifth step is to write the acknowledgement page. At this page, I want to advise you, because some people just acknowledge their parents and sometimes the departmental HOD. But I want you to acknowledge those people that were good to you, especially in the department, that is your institution, and at the place of work. Make sure you include them in your report. Then, when you do that, you are going to get an abstract. An abstract will show the person reading your report that this is what and what that is contained in this report. So with the abstract only, the person knows what is inside the report. Instead of going chapter by chapter, with the abstract, the person will know that in this report, this is what you included. So after the abstract, you get the table of content. With the table of contents, also the person will also know what and what is contained in your report. It's very important. After the table of content, then you start your chapter 1. Chapter 1 of your report should be about sewage and the background history of the institution you perform your work. The institution that accepts you for your practicals, for your industrial training. Chapter 1 carries them. About the sewage, you write when the sewage started in Nigeria, the aim of sewage and the importance of sewage to students, the importance of sewage to you, because we know that industrial training bridges the gap between theory and practicals. That is the most important and aim of sewage, and that's the reason why they came about sewage in Nigeria. The second chapter should carry about the laboratory. For instance, if you've done your work in the laboratory, carry about the laboratory. The third chapter carries about the skills you acquired, what you'll be able to do in the establishment. The skills you acquire is very important. You have to make sure it is detailed written. For instance, let me just give an instance. If you want to write about a serology test, those people that will do their own in the hospital, you write about maybe hepatitis B. You write what is hepatitis B and also the procedures to follow when testing hepatitis B. It's very important. At the end, you state the result. What might be the outcome is your result of the test. Your chapter 4 carries the problems you face in the department. What am I trying to say? Maybe you are doing your industrial training and you face some challenges and you help to offer ways on how the challenges will be overcome. Then you recommend to them what should be in the department for the first run, and you conclude how the COS training is helpful to you. So these are the steps you follow to write your technical report. I believe that with this guide you'll be able to write it yourself instead of giving money to people to do the work for you. So thank you for watching the video. I would like you to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be the first person to know when I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to share with your friends. They might need the information too. Thank you very much once again for watching the video.